What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu. Of course, guys, this video is brought to you by Webull. I am an official Webull affiliate. Link in the description below. You can sign up, deposit $100 into your Webull brokerage account, and get a free stock valued all the way up to $2,000. So go ahead and open up a Webull brokerage account, deposit $100 using the link down in the description, and of course, you can get that free stock. And not to mention the fact that you can now trade fractional shares as well as cryptocurrency on Webull. So go ahead, affiliate link in the description below. Folks, Shiba Inu, of course, we know the story of today. We have just been bouncing up and down and up and down and up and down. Of course, if you take a look at the actual price, we actually haven't been moving that much today. We are pretty flat. Something that really did strike my interest, though, is this 24-hour volume. I mean, my goodness, we are down really bad in terms of the 24-hour volume. This thing is sitting at below $500 million in the 24-hour volume, down 50% from yesterday. Of course, we are doing a little bit better than yesterday because we are trading pretty sideways. We know that the volume was up yesterday, but it was primarily selling pressure, and now we are just bouncing up and down. The market cap is up a little bit, so is the fully diluted, but in terms of a price, we're not seeing much of a difference. Of course, if we take a step back and look at the 7-day, again, primarily flat, a little bit of a downward trend. The 1 month, same song, different dance. We've been bouncing up and down. And of course, the 3 month, everybody knows that it is green, but compared to all-time highs, we are down pretty badly. Of course, if you look at this chart, it is not super surprising that this thing actually looks like it's been consolidating for the last couple of weeks, just ready, just primed for something special to happen. Of course, we do have our little bumps, things like the Coinbase listing and things like that, but in terms of the actual price action, we haven't seen a lot of movement, and everybody's always asking how are we going to get back to these all-time highs, and I always reiterate some of the same things every single day. What about new news that has come out recently? Here we have a tweet by SHYTOSHI himself saying, "I haven't misled a soul. I've been on a roller coaster of audits and FUD and scammers and etc. etc. All without a budget. Am I behind? Yes, absolutely. Is Certec slow and thorough? Yup. Am I in anticipation like everyone else? You betcha. When I've been wrong, I've said so. Otherwise, LFG." Guys, obviously a big deal coming from SHYTOSHI himself, because he is saying like, hey, we have just been on this crazy ride in terms of the audit. ShibaSwap has been ready for quite some time now. They are done testing. Everything is ready and good to go. It is all down to the audit now. Certec has been slow, but he has said here that they have been thorough. It is all about security at this point. Everything is set in stone. ShibaSwap is ready to go, folks. We've seen all the previews, sneak peeks on different YouTube channels, and all the leaks that have happened on Twitter. Everything is good. We are good to go. Now it's all about Certec giving us the green light. We've seen this for so long now, and it's just all about Certec. SHYTOSHI says here, this is the developer, this is the head guy when it comes to ShibaSwap, that it is good to go. We have another tweet here. This is by somebody that has been in contact with SHYTOSHI, somebody that was actually spreading a little bit of hate towards ShibaSwap and Shiba Inu. But then he says here, "I had a private convo with SHYTOSHI Kusama yesterday. I won't share the details to respect privacy, but he's a good dude that's working hard for sure. I truly believe we are only days away from something crazy. Things coming. Hashtag ship armies way. Hashtag SHIBASWAP incoming." Guys, obviously, people, whenever they say tweets like this, they do get very excited, but at the same time, we have to be realistic about when we think this thing is going to come out. And obviously, these are just predictions. I see your guys' comments. Everybody's saying, hey, you're spreading this and that by saying that it's supposed to happen by this date. Guys, this is just speculation. I am in anticipation just like you guys are. Obviously, so is SHYTOSHI, and so are all of these people that are holding Shiba Inu, and you watching the video out here. I'm just speculating that I thought that ShibaSwap would be incoming by the end of this week. Just a guess, obviously just a guess, but it could be sometime next week as well. But I said maybe by the end of July, that's when I anticipate it happening. I would be fine with that not happening. If they come out and say, hey, there's some security problems, I don't mind waiting even longer for that. But that being said, I like this tweet says here, we are only days away, and I truly believe we are only days away from seeing quite the rip and roar in Shiba Inu, and I think it's going to be led by ShibaSwap. Obviously, ShibaSwap is going to be a big deal because it's going to decrease that So it's all about supply and demand, right? I've always told you guys that it's going to decrease that supply with demand remaining high, and that is what's going to drive the price up, in my opinion. And of course, being able to stake and add to liquidity pools, just gaining money passively by holding Shiba Inu and putting it into this platform, it's going to be a big deal, obviously. There's a lot of tutorials out there. Some of them are more confusing than others, but we will see once this thing is out how it'll all come together. Of course, for not only SHIB token, but also leash and bone, everything coming together in synchrony, it should be something special. In terms of the price, I think that ShibaSwap is going to be one of those big catalysts that we've been talking about, the trifecta of catalysts: ShibaSwap, Robinhood, and Coinbase. I keep reiterating those three things, but something that is really going to help out Shiba Inu is the general cryptocurrency market coming back. I've told you guys this over and over and over and over again. It's all about getting the cryptocurrency market back to where it was before. Of course, today we are still not doing so hot. We saw a little bit of a recovery as you just look at the snapshot. I love looking at the snapshot right here because it shows me how all the cryptocurrencies have been doing over the last week or so. And of course, we had this little bit of a recovery, but again, towards the end of the day here, we are starting to slip just a little bit, and people are anticipating that it might slip even more. Of course, I am by no means a financial advisor, and this video is just for entertainment, educational purposes only. I don't know how far we will fall before this thing comes back up, but I do firmly believe that it will come back up. I think in the long term, these prices are going to be a drop in the bucket compared to what we will see in the future. Obviously, I can be wrong. Go out and do your own research before investing into anything. But that's what I see. That's what I've seen before. I've been in crypto for a really long time. I saw the crash in 2018. I saw the run up in 2017 and the subsequent run up this year, obviously, and late last year. Things are wild in the cryptocurrency market, very volatile, but that just goes to show how early we are in some of these cryptocurrencies. Big institutions haven't even touched this stuff yet for the most part. So obviously Shiba Inu is no different. I know this coin is in its infancy compared to other coins that people are invested in, people are talking about. That being said, the community in Shiba Inu is very strong, almost more than 500,000 strong, that is. So obviously we need to make sure that as we move forward, we don't have any regrets in terms of ShibaSwap having security issues, listings having their problems. Obviously, we saw with the Coinbase listing how that was an issue. They started getting technical difficulties, and I anticipate the Coinbase listing going back up sometime in July. So we will see how that goes. And obviously, the Robinhood listing, people are now speculating things about Webull as well. We will see how all of that goes, but only time will tell where we go from here, guys. And obviously, we have our own catalyst, but as of right now, this thing is going to follow the price of the other cryptocurrencies, namely Bitcoin, until we start getting our own catalyst. And I think after that, obviously, things will shape up fine for Shiba Inu. The question I want to pose for all of you guys, if you've watched all the way to the end of this video: do you think they should release ShibaSwap while the cryptocurrency market is weak and not doing so hot? Or should they wait until we see Bitcoin at 45, maybe $50,000 a coin, and then release ShibaSwap? That's what I want you guys to answer in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. If you are new to this channel, or if you're finding your way back, please hit that subscribe button, join the family, throw a like on this video so we can get out to more people. Last but not least, like I said, if you watched all the way to the end, I really appreciate it. The best way you can help out this channel is using that Webull link in the description below. Open up a brokerage account, deposit $100 that you can trade with. You get yourself a free stock, and if you don't like that stock, hey, you can sell it, you can buy some cryptocurrency with it, or you can even just keep it as cash, whatever you want to do. Doesn't matter to me. Really appreciate you guys watching all the way to the end. Once more, it's your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm at the scene. Peace out, folks.